Hey guys, and how's it going on? This is Omar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing some of the best credit repair softwares in 2024. Now before we dive into the video, there is a link in the description using which you can now officially donate to our channel, so that is going to be a huge help as well. Okay, so the first one is Dovely AI, and the key features are you can boost your score up to 79 points, so that is a really great um, feature. And the free plan is up to 100% free, so no credit card required. You can just sign up directly onto their platform without any hassle of creating your entering your credit card and stuff like that. And it has over 20,000 ratings which are 5 stars, so that is a big thing, guys. And smart AI credit engine proven to optimize results, and enroll in minutes online or with the app, no call center agents. So we on the second place we have another software called the Credit Pros, and if we talk about this, this is a one-on-one action plan with certified FICO professional, and ID theft restoration and insurance is also offered. And cease and desist letters to collection agencies, 24/7 access to client portal, and debt validation letters to the creditors, basically. So goodwill letters to the creditors as well. So that's a really nice and sweet thing to offer. And we have unlimited dispute letters. So the third one is Dispute B, with its amazing features such as bulk print letters, pre-written letter templates, send mail via APIs, and import credit reports and sign up affiliates for your business. And also you can see credit reports status monthly. So the pricings and plan comes from $49 to $129 a month. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found something new. If you did so, make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.